Mastering post-test reflection. Identifying areas for improvement. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important but often overlooked aspect of test preparation: post-test reflection. Specifically, we're going to focus on identifying areas for improvement. We've all been there. You take a test, and no matter the result, you immediately want to forget about it and move on. But taking the time to reflect on your performance can provide valuable insights. Let's get started. Before we jump into how to identify areas for improvement, let's first discuss why post-test reflection is so important. Reflecting on your test performance allows you to 1. Recognize patterns. You might see recurring mistakes or trends. 2. Adjust strategies. You'll learn what worked and what didn't, so you can modify your approach for the next test. 3. Boost confidence. By understanding your strengths and weaknesses, you can become more confident for future exams. After your test is over, try not to immediately put it out of your mind. Instead, spend a few moments jotting down 1. How you felt during the test. Were you anxious? Confident? 2. Types of questions that were difficult. Was it multiple choice, short answer, or essays? 3. Topics that seemed challenging. Were there specific themes or subjects you struggled with? This initial reflection will serve as a base for a more detailed analysis later. Once you get your test back, it's time for a detailed analysis. Look at 1. Wrong answers. Understand why you got them wrong. Was it a lack of knowledge, a careless mistake, or perhaps time management? 2. Right answers. Don't just focus on the negatives. Understand why you got certain questions right. Was it because you studied that material thoroughly, or did you guess? 3. Marks distribution. See if there are specific sections where you consistently perform poorly or well. Don't hesitate to talk to teachers or classmates about the test. 1. Teacher feedback. Sometimes teachers provide feedback that can guide you in the right direction. 2. Peer insights. Discussing the test with classmates can offer new perspectives on what you might have misunderstood or overlooked. The ultimate goal of identifying areas for improvement is to create an action plan for future tests. This should be a realistic and achievable plan that might include 1. Additional study time. Allocate more time to topics you struggled with. 2. New study techniques. If your current methods aren't working, it's time for a change. 3. Mock tests and practice. The more you practice, the better you get. And that wraps it up for today. Remember, tests are not just a measure of what you know. They're also a way to discover how you can improve. Post-test reflection isn't about dwelling on your mistakes. It's about understanding them and creating a plan for future success. I hope this video helps you in your journey toward mastering test preparation. Happy studying, and see you in the next video.